take a look at the code here. Can you figure out what I am doing? If you've guessed correctly, I am converting Celsius temperatures into Fahrenheit temperatures. If you'll recall, the formula for converting Celsius into Fahrenheit is to take the degrees in Celsius, multiply it by 1.8, and then add 32. But there are two drawbacks to the code here. The first is that there's a lot of duplicate code. I'm writing the same code over and over again. Multiply by 1.8 plus 32, multiply by 1.8 plus 32, and it's a little tedious. The other problem is that this code is hard to read. It's difficult to figure out what exactly I'm trying to do. Unless you knew off the top of your head the formula for converting Celsius into Fahrenheit, anyone reading my code wouldn't really know what I'm trying to do here. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to write perhaps the following code instead? So instead of line 1, where we print out 10 times 1.8 plus 32, wouldn't it be cool if we instead could write something like this? Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit 10. Here it becomes very clear that the 10 represents the degrees. We are trying to convert that 10 from Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit. Now, of course, Ruby has no idea what we mean when we say convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. We would have to somehow communicate to Ruby what the logic, what the formula behind convert Celsius to Fahrenheit would be. But we can do this with something called a function. In the next lesson, we are going to introduce the concept of functions. We're going to take it one step at a time with some really basic functions, but then we're going to be able to come back to this problem and figure out how we can be able to write this really cool code of convert Celsius to Fahrenheit.